in her face.
The mirror of your dreams.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sasha Morales. So today, nothing too fancy, nothing too big. I'm gonna be making a cheesecake with sweet potatoes. Now look, the sweet potato side is more for my dad, but I'm gonna see how this goes. You say something?
Bag talk.
I'm gonna just open up the sweet potatoes, canned. I'm gonna get this bowl. Then I'm gonna put some of these yams in here. Actually, we're gonna put the yams in here first, blend them up, then put them in the bowl. I'm making cheesecake. I'm making a cheesecake. I tried to make one a couple weeks ago, and no, it was just not okay. It was disgusting, actually. It was too thick. First, I'm gonna do, I think this is, yep, whatever this is, sugar. I'm kind of eyeballing this. Scoop of brown sugar. And we gotta do this. A little dash of this.
Oh,
He needs some milk.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I don't know if you have to cook this or not. Okay. She's not broken yet. And cook them. A little confused on how to make this, so what I'm gonna do is just take this. This is the pre-made. The directions are simple. It says scoop and smooth it, serve it.
Real estate agents for the client neighborhood area.
Okay, right now I'm cooking the sweet potatoes just a little bit because I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. The look of disappointment. Disappointment.
Good job.
No.
Good job. Tastes like a good though.
Does it? This is good. Guys, well, that's the end of my video.
It was good.
And I just wanted to have my dad here because he tasted it with me.
Yeah.
And my mom. So yeah, go ahead and give this a try or make whatever snack you want.
Bye.
Wow, Dad. Anyways, till next time, ladies and lads. Bye.
What a drag.
No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress.